Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. Today's video, it's Lego building time. Let's get this thing started. Building Lego. Oh yeah. Kit number 75319, the Armorer's Mandalorian Forge, right there. This thing is so cool. It's actually a pretty simplistic kit, 258 pieces. I'm really excited for the minifigs that come with it, but yeah, this is cool. So enough chit chat. Let's get this thing opened up. Get the party started. There we go. I've never understood Lego's little finger things right here. I don't know. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, no bag. Got stickers, instruction book. Oh yeah. So since this thing is literally just like, 258 pieces, I don't know if I'll do any time lapses with this or not. I think we might just build it, just build it. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. So I tell you what, I want to adjust the camera a little bit so you guys can actually see what I'm doing as I'm talking. And yeah, we'll get that thing started. All right, got the went ahead and got bag 1. I got all the parts nulled out. Got some stuff laid out. Looks like the first thing we're going to put together is the Mandalorian minifig right here. I see the jetpack. And right there. Got the old helmet. His blaster. Got that. Yeah, there we go. There's the right one. There's the right one. Let's see here. Oh, brown one right there. Tell you, this is a cool set. This is a really cool set. I'm actually super excited I was actually able to find it. I'm not a big fan of these extremely long blasters. They, I don't know, but there's Mando right there. I also have the Armorer here, but I'm not to that point yet, so I don't know. Let's get this thing started. I'm gonna move a few of these pieces around. Yeah, like I said, this shouldn't be a tremendously difficult kit, but a fun one. Oh, we need a couple of these. There we go. Get that one there. I might actually just move the book over here so you guys can see me building, right? See me building this thing. So voila. All right. 2 of these bad boys here. Yup. I need 2 of these. Right there. And right there. 2 red bricks. Yup. Like I said, this shouldn't be like a crazy hard one at all to build. I mean, 258 pieces. That's a fun little piece count, to be honest with you. I mean, it's a fun one. And we're actually in the process of making the forge right now. Got that bad boy. Boom. We'll see how long it takes us to actually do it. Okay, move those there. I need that, one of those. I need 2 of these. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, nope, that way. That way, Greg. Come on now. These. I need 3 of these bad boys. Yeah, this is, you're gonna hear me talk to myself a lot during this. The time lapses are fun for the bigger ones, but I don't know. I was just curious how long this one would actually take to build. So I figured let's not do a time lapse. That way you guys can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. Alright, so we need 4 of these. And our first stickers right there. Alright. Sticker number 1. Right there. This is probably the part that causes me the most stress, is the stickers. If you put Legos together, let me know if this is the part that makes you just like, because no matter how like non-shaky I am, whenever I start doing this, it's like I immediately start shaking. It's crazy. There's sticker number 2. This is a cool little effect with these, what these stickers do. They actually, stickers say a lot. They really do. Oops, almost. There we go. I will tell you this though, X-Acto knives is like the perfect tool, for me anyway, to do sticker work. You know, you just put it right there on the tip of the blade. But if you have a secret way of doing it that works better, let me know in the comments. Let me know. All right. There's where we're at so far. Look what the stickers just made an awesome addition to it. Need this bad boy. That's going right there. I need that. Oh, here we go. We're getting some little pieces now. Get some little ones. I bet these. All right, 2. Need 8 of these. I will say this for Lego. I do admire their instructions, but sometimes the colors are a little janky, little harder to disseminate some of the colors, especially if you're doing light grays and dark grays and blacks. It can be a little weird. Oh, we're doing the flame effects now. This is cool. Need 8 of those. See, this is a nice little touch right here. Also in the comments, let me know if you do Lego, what genre do you like? You know, are you a Marvel person, DC, Star Wars? I've got a little bit of everything. Predominantly as Star Wars, but I do have some DC and Marvel stuff as well. There's a couple of Ninjago sets that I've been eyeballing that look really good. All right, get these little flame effects going on here. That is so cool. Look at that little flame effect right there. That is nice. It's such a cool touch. Very simplistic. Also, let me know if you watch Lego Masters, because I watch Lego Masters. I really enjoy that show. I enjoy it a lot. Because some of the stuff they do on there, oh man, it's insanely cool. All right, we got the flame effects going. Make sure they're all going the right way. Boom. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Look at that. Oh man, if that was lit, that would be really cool. All right, I need this bad boy. I need this. That's going in there like that. What are we making here? What am I making? This must be something to do maybe with the upper. All right, now you're supposed to go in there. Don't be difficult. I've got a cut on my thumb too. And yeah, that doesn't make putting Legos together easy, because it's literally like a slice right there. And I'm predominantly a right hand assembler. All right. Whoa, what is this thing we're making? Let me put this right here for now. Put that right there for now. I need this. This is going to be an interesting little doodad that we're making. This is actually going to be the, I guess, the top of the forge. All right, so I need one of these, one of those, one of those. I need one of those. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. One of those. I need 8 of these bad boys. There's 2, 3. But yeah, there's so many really cool Lego sets out there. I totally, I mean, I get it. There's just a lot of cool ones. Let's see, how we doing these here? There we go. And you know, I've said this before in some of my other Lego videos. I would love to like tour the Lego facility. I'd love to see how they engineer Legos, how they reverse engineer it, to be honest with you. Put them on backwards. See there? Oh, and that's something else too. If you guys that build Lego sets, how many times have you built a Lego set and then realized pretty far into it that you've made a crucial mistake and you've used a part that needed to be used somewhere else? I'd love to know that. All right, this piece over there, like so. That goes in there like that. And that goes on like that. All right. And then this. Okay. All right. It fits in here like this. All right there. Cool. This goes on like that. Oh, this is neat. Let me get the fins down. Oh, that is, oh, look at that. That is so cool. Very nice. Hey, we're rocking and rolling. One of these, one of those. Oh, we need to bring this back. All right, that goes there. Okie dokie. Nope. Maybe. Yep, right there. Need one of those. But yeah, I don't know. Lego is so entertaining to me. I really enjoy these kits. I've actually, my brother was telling me about there's an estate sale and just tons of Lego stuff. So that's, yeah. All right, that goes there. That goes there. All right. This is interesting. So you got this piece here, and it, it's just an empty box, and then you put this on top of it. You would think it would make more sense to make that one piece, but it takes away from the building perspective, I guess. All right, we are cruising through this thing. Uh-oh, is that the hammer? That's the, oh, we got a hammer. And this and that. That. Got this. Yep. There we go. The hammer actually goes right here. Oh, so cool. All right, got this. Got another box. And one of these. And one of those. All right. We are literally almost done with bag one. That's there. Okay, now that is, oh, I get it. I get it. Okay. So this little piece goes in and just sits there, and it's like Beskar. So then you actually put this. Oh, that's pretty cool right there. That is legit cool. So you got the right there. Nice. All right, so it already shows the armor put together, even though I didn't see it in the instructions. We're going to go ahead and put this little minifig together. And see, another thing about these kits, this is the only way you'll get this minifig is with the kit. But there's the armor right there. And would be on the side. Let's go ahead and get it sort of staged up here. That is so cool. Sorry, I'm squirreling. I'm squirreling. That there. Yep, there we go. Boom. There's where we stand so far. Nice. Hey, bag two. Bag two. All right, I tell you what, I'm going to pause right here, give you a break. I'm going to get bag two out, get those parts separated. I'll be right back. All right, we got bag 2 opened up, and oh yeah, this is gonna be a cool minifig right here. Got the legs, but we got to build something. So I need one of these. I need one of, where they at? I need that. I need another piece. What is that piece right there? That's a weird looking piece. Get these out of the way. I need, if it's a snake, it would have probably already bit me. That's the one thing about building Legos too, is sometimes the piece that you need is obviously right in front of you, but for some strange reason you never associate it until like later. And I know this piece I'm looking for is legit in front of me. But it's going to be forever before I find it. That's the crazy part. It's literally, I know it's here. I know it's here. Get these over there. It looks like this one, but it's not. It's actually, it should be gray. All right, come on. I'm going to get the obvious pieces out of my way. Okay, I do know I need 4 of these. So might as well go ahead and get those. I need this, and I need this. Nope. Wow. Oh, boom, right there. I told you. It's like they just, yeah. All right, so we got to put this together. Then this. Okay, 4 of these. Right there. I bet I'm going to show you this when I get it put together. Then you guys, I'm going to pause and you guys can let me know if you know what it is. Okay. Oh, I got to flip it over. There we go. All right, there you go. You know what it is? Put it in the comment right now. Do it. Oh yeah, it's an armor set. Get the blank on the head in there. Oh, heavy Mando right there. Check it out, the heavy cannon. So cool. Right there. Look at that minifig. That is amazing. Also, it comes with an actual Mando helmet. So that's pretty neat. All right, so it looks like we're going to be making a wall. All right. Need the A. I need one of these. Need this. Let's rock and roll. One of those, and one of those. Okay. That goes there. Oh, I missed it. I went up too far. I don't got my Lego tool. I don't got my Lego tool. Don't need no stinking tool. I got an X-Acto knife. Got that. Then that's right there. Need one of these. This bad boy right there. Put that on there. Boom. Another one of those. And we're rocking. We're rocking and rolling right here. This bad boy. It's going to go right like that. I need 2 of these little brown pieces. And I also need, I saw it a while ago. I right there, I need that. Actually, need 2 of these. All right. We're building structure right now. In case you're wondering, we're on page 28 of the build so far. Get that on there. Whoops. And I need the other one. I need this bad boy. One of these. Voila. All right. This is a fun build. This really is a fun build. Wait a minute. Hang on a minute. Oh, yep. See right there. Made a boo-boo, but I caught it. I caught it in time. There we go. That bad boy. That one. That one. Voila. And voila. One. Nope. Yep. Okay. Yep. That. Now it's making sense. Now we're at the right height. Okay. I really hope you're enjoying this video. This is, like I said, the Lego videos. I personally just love them. They're just tons of fun to do. So I really do hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. Like I said, I didn't see a need to do a time lapse on this one. Let's just build it. I know where the helmet's going now. I know where the helmet's going. I need 2 of those. I need 1 and 1. Okay, all right. Wait a minute. Hang on there, Obi-Wan. There we go. Now see, here's something too. Like these 2 pieces here, they're pretty much, they're real similar, but they're different. So it doesn't take long to figure out if you've got the right one or not, because it won't fit. That bad boy there, and that bad boy there. The helmet goes on right here. This is a nice little touch. Nice little touch. Need 1 of those, 1 of these. Okay, there we go. All right, this bad boy. Now I need this one. Need another one. Two of these. One's going that way. One looks like one's going opposite. Then that goes there. I need two of these. Come on, get on there. Then this bad boy on top. There we go. Uh-oh, we're getting another sticker. Bam! Oh, getting the skulls here. Nice. Very cool. All right. Whoops. All right, let's get this bad boy on there. Voila. Okay, all right. All right, now it's making sense. Get the other skull. I can't talk and do a sticker at the same time. I can't do it. Check that out. Look at that. That is wicked. Wicked cool. All right. Put that there for now. Need this. Need this. I need that. I need one of those and one of these. Alrighty. Boom. 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 And voila. That piece goes right here. Oh, yeah. Nice. Check this out. We got a broom. We got a broom. Broom goes right there. Okay. That goes there. We are almost done. Now I was curious about these things. I didn't know what they were. I still am not 100% sure what they are. Okay. Get that on there. And then you would think that piece would have went on beforehand. All right, guys. Bag 2 right there. Check that out. Nice. All right. Bag 3. Let me get it out. I'll be right back. All right. Bag 3. Looks like we're going to be making another wall assembly. So, I need this bad boy here. So, we're going to be building on to our wall here. Okay. A couple of these. Right there. And there we go. Booyah. Okay, need one of these. One of those. And this little bitty thing here. That goes there, there, and there. All right. 3 of these. 3? What? Say it isn't so, Lego. All right. Voila. this big old bad boy right here. That's going to go like that. Let's see, need that. Need one of these. You know, another thing too, when I look at the construction, as I go through the construction of one of these, I start thinking about the artistry of it. And believe it or not, there is artistry to this. If you don't think so, put a Lego together. There is artistry here. I mean, like this piece here. I mean, look at this thing hinge. That is so cool. That goes there. Goes like that. And like that. Okay. Two of these. There. There. Need one and one. We are moving. We're moving right along right now. And also with Lego, I love how they use, like with brick lane, you don't ever line your seams up. So it's just like laying block. So yeah, there's a lot of thought goes into one of these things. Okay, that goes on there. That's going right there. That's going there. Lock that in. We are on page 44. Where's that weird looking piece? Is that, where are you at? There you are. This is a weird one. It's got a nice little slot there in it. It goes right there. That goes right there. Whoops. Get on there. Need this bad boy. I need another one of these. I'm starting to wish that this was, they had more to these. Like, I don't know, like more, like where you could make something bigger out of it. If that makes sense. Because these are really cool little diorama pieces. So, you know, to be able to use them in other things or be able to create a scene, I think it'd be really cool. Okay, I need two of these right there. There it is right there. And I need that little bitty devil right there. Boom. You're a different color. Hang on a minute. I need dark gray. I need a dark gray one. There it is. Found it. I finded it. Okay. And this goes right here on this part of the wall. Get it on there. Now that's locked into place. I'm telling you. 1, 2. I need 3. I need that. I need this, and I need that. Oh my goodness, a sticker. Whoo. Number 3, a little sticker. Wow. Also, when you're doing these stickers, look at them real close and make sure the orientation's right. I have actually placed stickers upside down before. And I'm not a perfect sticker. But that's not bad. That's not bad. All right. Number 2, another sticker. Okay, yep. The yellow goes over there. All right. I think that'll work. All right. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Put that and that. Little control panel. Boom. That's going to go right there. I may have to go find me a Lego board just to put this on. I just think it's too cool not to have it on it. Need that. Need another one of these and another one of those. That bad boy. Will this video be under 30 minutes? No. I don't think it will be. I don't know, it may be. We'll have to see. That goes there. Guys, we are seriously getting close. We're getting close. We are getting close. That goes there. Get this other one. Flop that on there. Okay. That. This. Uh-oh. Hang on. There we go. Right there. That. Okay. Need 1 and 1. I need one of those. And I need this. All right. We're building something here. That goes there. That goes there. That's lined up with the hole. And voila. I haven't quite figured it out yet, but we are building something. We got this. We got that. We got this. A little blue one. And one of these. All right. Boom. Boom. Ah, okay. The little antenna thingy there. Put that there. Okay. I think this is some kind of a handle, maybe? Voila. Right there. And then this goes right here. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Such a cool set. Boom. 2 boxes. Voila. 2 of these. Voila. These can be confusing, these hinges, because they come closed, so it looks like a 2x2. So yeah, I have lost, like, not lost them, but could not find them because I was thinking they were already separated. They weren't. Nay, say I. They weren't. Oh, I know what. Oh, I think I know what this is. Got another sticker. I think we're officially done with the stickers. And this is going to be a challenge one here now. Ooh, Nelly. We have a work cabinet. That's so cool. But we're not done. Ooh, what is this? I am totally convinced I have no idea what this is so far. It looks like a cabinet, so that's what I'm calling it right now. I'm calling it a cabinet. But I'm putting things on it that's making me wonder if it is a cabinet. I don't know. We're going to have to find out. We are going to have to find out what this thing is. Okay. Oh, got this little piece right here. Very cool. Little keypad piece. Oh, okay. I think it's a locker. Yes. All right, so take this off, and we're going to put, see, we got some guns. Got these little mine thingies. Okay. Then we can little storage box. That's pretty cool. Then you can open it up like that. Look at there. That's cool. That goes right here. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, guys, I think we are ready to connect. We've connected it. We're done. We're done. All right, I tell you what, I'm going to get this thing set up on the spinny, and I'll show you this final Armor's Lego set. So give me a second. Welcome back. There it is, the armor. Oh, this is so cool. I actually set this thing up. Basically, I tried to mimic the last page of the book right there. So there you go, coming around. Not too bad. This is such a cool set. 258 pieces. Yeah, very, very nice set. Super stoked to get it. I do need to find a Lego board because I want to put this in place. I've got some of the bigger boards, but I actually want to put this on its own board. But so much detail in this kit. The box. Hang on a minute. All right, there it is. The Armor's Mandalorian Forged. Set number 75319, 258 pieces. And we did it without a time lapse. So you guys saw it's not a very complicated build. It's a fun build. It is a very fun build. I do like the fact as it comes around, you actually have the skull on the outside. That's really cool. I like the fact that it has these lockers that open up. Nice touch. We got the handle. The forge itself looks great. The minifigs are on point. We got the heavy Mandalorian. We got a Mandalorian. We got the armor. I mean, just a cool cool set. I do believe this is a Target exclusive set, so you won't find it at Walmart. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure it's Target. But yeah, I love it. This is a fun set, and it creates a really good scene. That's why I want to put it on one of the Lego build plates, just so we can have some fun with it. But guys, that's it for this Lego build video. I know it was long. I really appreciate it if you stuck with me till now, to the very end. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. The big ones like the Bad Batch ship, I mean, I can't do that one without time lapse, because that's, you know, crazy amount of time. But I figured this one, being such a small kit, I thought we might be able to do it without a time lapse. So let me know what you thought. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have this set. Let me know what you think about this set. I think it's really detailed, but wow, got some really cool minifigs. But yeah, I love it. It's awesome. A lot of posability, a lot of things you can do with it. I'm interested to try to figure out how I'm going to photograph it. But the one thing I wish, if the forge would light up, that would be really cool. Like if you could put, and you may be able to use the Lego light blocks. I don't know yet, but that would be cool as well. But we're done. We're done with this Lego build. If this is your first time to my channel, and if you've enjoyed this content, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning notifications on. That way you'll know when I drop videos. And one last thing, always remember, toys refreshes your soul. And I'll see you next time.